What if one tiny glyph, tucked into your art, videos, or journal, could quietly network your magic with other workings, amplifying synchronicity like Wi-Fi for weirdness? Chaos magicians call it a linking sigil, a simple mark that doesn't carry a single desire, but acts as a hub. Every time it appears, it says, "Connect this working to the wider field of supportive intent." Think of it as a friendly opt-in egregore, a living mesh network that shares momentum, not dogma. Why it works, psychologically, repetition plus salience equals priming. You train your attention to notice crossovers, opportunities, and impossible overlaps. Why it works, symbolically, a stable glyph becomes a ritual handshake. Each appearance reaffirms a pact to pool surplus energy into mutual uplift. Why it works, energetically, consistent form plus consistent charge equals coherent field. What to do? Design a tiny, unique glyph for linking only, not your goal. Keep it 3 to 5 strokes, easy to redraw. Make it uniquely yours to avoid piggybacking unknown currents. Your statement of intent should be something like, "This mark connects my workings into a benevolent, consent-only network that shares surplus luck, insight, and protection, harm to none." Charge it quickly, 3 breaths over the glyph. Inhale, open. Exhale, connect. On the 3rd exhale, forget the mechanism, remember the vibe. Deploy ethically. Hide it in your own spaces. Video corners, thumbnails as a faint watermark. The margin of your journal, inside your music cover art. On your altar tools. No tagging public property, no sneaking it onto other people's stuff. Consent matters. Log the bleed-throughs, track odd crossovers, DMs from strangers with perfect timing, themes echoing between projects, serendipitous coincidences. Name the pattern and it grows. Some advanced techniques with your new personal linking sigil? Shoaling. Fire a school of tiny goal sigils around one keystone aim and include your linking glyph with each. Add one robo-fish micro goal that's trivially easy to win to pull the rest along. Time binding. Version the glyph by month or project, a dot, a ring, a notch, so you can see which wave produced which results. Banishing clause. Close every session with, "Links dissolve when consent or well-being is compromised." The most famous of linking sigils is the Ellis sigil, also called the Linking Sigil, from the DKMU collective. Practitioners draw it anywhere, in notebooks, in graffiti, hidden in artwork, each copy acting as a kind of node in a vast magical network. By adding the symbol to your own workings, you're believed to plug in to the current, amplifying and connecting your magic to others across the globe. Whether you see it as art, egregore, or experiment, the Linking Sigil is one of the most fascinating examples of chaos magicians collaborating to build something bigger than themselves. You can use it to link your magic to a larger collective. This is literally what we do here. Turn isolated sparks into a constellation. If you use this, consider your work on the mesh. You'll know it's working when the right people and ideas start showing up on time. Keep it playful, keep it kind, and remember, the mask imitates, the link collaborates. See you in the network.